This is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first step is to make sure that your phone is indeed connected to internet, preferably Wi-Fi, but cellular data will do just fine if you're ready to pay an extra charges for, well, using more cellular data. Anyway, then you gotta launch the Google Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you gotta tap at the install button. It has either directly from the search results, or you can also open its app info page and, well, tap at the install button from there. Then give it some time to be downloaded and installed, which should not take a lot of your time, but, well, it mostly depends on your internet connection, how fast it is, so give it like 10, maybe 20 seconds. As you can see, the Opera download and install process was successfully finished, so now you gotta launch the app and set it up while opening Opera for the first time. Where did it go to? So here it is. So start with tapping at the continue button over here. Then you have to decide if you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can skip this step, and at this final page you can customize the data collection preferences or allow everything that it asks for and start using the Opera. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.